So in the beginning it's like this cacao.
Yeah.
That's how they cut it from the tree.
Yeah.
And then they burn it just in fire. They cook it.
Oh yeah. No,
No?
they need to break it.
They break it? Oh, like that. Oh, they break just like that. Boom. This knife everywhere I go in the Philippines. I see this knife.
This knife, this kind of a bolo. Wow.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Taste it.
That's a pure cacao.
Yeah.
ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם בורא פרי העץ.
Man.
What can I eat? All of it?
No, just. Do not eat because inside is cacao.
It's very tasty. All of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then this one will be dried like that.
Wow, can I eat it? All of it?
Yeah.
No problem?
No.
So what is that for? Just to burn it?
They are reject.
Oh. One more. Wow. I just let me. So how they make it like that? Just dry it?
Yeah, that's dried up.
This is just dried?
Yeah.
No fire, no nothing.
No. Just the air.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.